Meaning of goldfish bowl.
Goldfish bowl.
Goldfish bowl.
Goldfish bowl.
Goldfish bowl. Goldfish bowl is a term used metaphorically to describe a situation in which someone's behavior or activities are closely observed and criticized by others. It comes from the practice of keeping fish in a bowl where their movements can be easily seen. In this context, being in a goldfish bowl can lead to a sense of pressure, scrutiny, and lack of privacy. It can also refer to an insular or restricted environment where the same group of people constantly interact with each other and have limited exposure to outside perspectives.